I can't find any eggs.
Me either.
We searched everywhere.
Like, we searched literally the whole city. We can't find any.
Oh no.
So maybe somebody took them all.
Oh wait, a news alert's going off on my phone.
Let's see.
Someone stole all the eggs.
Yes. Oh no. I knew that.
There's a photo of the person who took all the eggs. Look.
Oh my goodness.
It's my dad?
Your dad? Again?
Oh my god, I swear.
If he messes up anything else.
Hold on, I'll be right back. I need to go to my locker.
Okay. Yeah, same.
I'm gonna go kill him.
Oh my gosh, okay.
He's
We gotta get
probably
your
at my
dad.
house. He's probably at my house.
Skateboard. Shoo!
I have magical powers. Bust down this door. Dad, where are you? It's for stealing all the Easter eggs. You ruined Easter.
No one deserves a happy Easter. So I wanted to take all the eggs.
You know what? Be quiet. I'm gonna shoot you in the head. I'm gonna tear him apart.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, I'm all done now.
He dead now.
I'm gonna go take a shower.
Yeah, I'm gonna go wash my hands. Okay, time to get ready for the rest of the day.
That was a nice bath. I'm just gonna walk